Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your phone number from Facebook. If you're looking to remove your phone number for privacy reasons or simply want to clean up your account, follow these simple steps. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right, then click on Icon Settings on top right. In the Settings menu, look for a section called Personal Information. In the Personal Information section, you'll see Contact Information where your phone number is listed. Tap or click on it to manage your phone number. You should see an option to delete your number. Click it and confirm the action when prompted. Now have successfully deleted your phone number from Facebook. And that's it. You've now removed your phone number from Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.